back, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of highlighter brushes, seeking out the ultimate tool to achieve that ethereal glow we all crave. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, finding the right brush can make all the difference. But fear not, because we've got you covered! In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 fan highlighter brushes on the market, breaking down their key features, benefits, usability, and durability to help you find your perfect match. So let's get glowing! At number 1 position, we have Wet n Wild Fan Brush for highlighter. The Wet n Wild Fan Brush for highlighter is a budget-friendly option designed to deliver a flawless application of your favorite illuminators. Crafted with ultra-soft synthetic bristles, this brush promises a seamless blend and buildup of product, ensuring a natural-looking radiance. Hash key features: ultra-soft synthetic bristles for gentle application, lightweight design for easy handling and maneuverability, sleek ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Hash benefits and usage: achieve a luminous complexion with ease using this fan brush. Its precise shape allows for targeted application, effortlessly sweeping highlighter across cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow for a radiant finish. Plus, the synthetic bristles are gentle on the skin, making it suitable for all skin types. Hash usability: whether you're a makeup novice or a beauty guru, this fan brush is a must-have in your collection. Its user-friendly design ensures seamless blending and precise application, helping you achieve a professional-looking glow every time. Hash durability: crafted with high-quality materials, the Wet n Wild Fan Brush for highlighter is built to last. With proper care and maintenance, it will remain a staple in your makeup routine for years to come. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Real Techniques Highlighter Brush. The Real Techniques Highlighter Brush is a cult favorite among makeup enthusiasts, renowned for its expertly crafted design and superior performance. Featuring densely packed bristles and a tapered shape, this brush promises precise application and seamless blending for a luminous finish. Hash key features: densely packed bristles for optimal product pickup and payoff, tapered shape for precise application and blending, aluminum handle for lightweight, ergonomic use. Hash benefits and usage: elevate your makeup game with this versatile highlighter brush. Its densely packed bristles effortlessly pick up and deposit product onto the skin, while the tapered shape allows for precise placement and seamless blending. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a blinding highlight, this brush has you covered. Hash usability: perfect for both beginners and seasoned makeup artists, the Real Techniques Highlighter Brush offers unparalleled usability. Its ergonomic handle and tapered shape make it easy to maneuver, ensuring flawless application every time. Hash durability: constructed with high-quality materials, this brush is built to withstand the test of time. With proper care and maintenance, it will remain a staple in your makeup collection for years to come. The number 3 position is held by Beauty Junkie's Fan Highlighter Brush. The Beauty Junkie's Fan Highlighter Brush is a game-changer for achieving a lit-from-within glow. Crafted with ultra-fine synthetic bristles, this brush delivers a flawless application of your favorite highlighters, leaving you with a natural-looking radiance. Hash key features: ultra-fine synthetic bristles for seamless blending, fan shape for effortless application, wooden handle for durability and control. Hash benefits and usage: say goodbye to harsh lines and uneven application with this fan highlighter brush. Its ultra-fine bristles effortlessly sweep across the skin, diffusing product for a soft focus finish. Whether you're highlighting cheekbones, temples, or collarbones, this brush ensures a flawless application every time. Hash usability: designed with ease of use in mind, the Beauty Junkie's Fan Highlighter Brush is suitable for all skill levels. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it a breeze to use, while the fan shape allows for effortless application and blending. Hash durability: Crafted with high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. The wooden handle provides durability and control, ensuring it remains a staple in your makeup collection for years to come. Next, at number 4, we have LA Colors Highlighter Fan Brush. The LA Colors Highlighter Fan Brush is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Featuring a unique fan shape and soft bristles, this brush is designed to deliver a flawless application of your favorite highlighters, leaving you with a luminous complexion. Hash key features: unique fan shape for precise application, soft bristles for seamless blending, affordable price point. Hash benefits and usage: elevate your makeup routine with this versatile highlighter brush. Its unique fan shape allows for precise placement of product, while the soft bristles ensure seamless blending for a natural-looking finish. Whether you're a makeup novice or a beauty enthusiast, this brush is a must-have in your collection. Hash usability: designed for ease of use, the LA Colors Highlighter Fan Brush is suitable for all skill levels. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, while the unique fan shape allows for effortless application and blending. Hash durability: despite its budget-friendly price point, this brush is built to last. With proper care and maintenance, it will remain a staple in your makeup collection for years to come. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Platinum Highlighter Fan Brush. The Platinum Highlighter Fan Brush is the epitome of luxury, offering unparalleled performance and craftsmanship. Crafted with premium materials and expertly designed, this brush promises a flawless application of your favorite highlighters, leaving you with a luminous glow. Hash key features: premium materials for superior performance, expertly designed for precise application, elegant ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Hash benefits and usage: indulge in the ultimate luxury with this highlighter brush. Its premium materials and expert design ensure a flawless application every time, leaving you with a radiant complexion. Whether you're highlighting cheekbones, brow bones, or collarbones, this brush delivers a professional-looking finish with ease. Hash usability: despite its luxurious feel, this brush is incredibly user-friendly. The ergonomic handle provides comfortable use, while the expertly designed bristles allow for precise application and seamless blending. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this brush is sure to impress. Hash durability: crafted with premium materials, the Platinum Highlighter Fan Brush is built to last. With proper care and maintenance, it will remain a cherished staple in your makeup collection for years to come. And there you have it, beauty lovers, our top picks for the best fan highlighter brushes on the market. From budget-friendly options to luxurious indulgences, there's something for everyone in this lineup. Whether you're seeking precise application, seamless blending, or superior durability, these brushes have you covered. So go ahead, treat yourself to the ultimate glow-getting tool and elevate your makeup game to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay glowing!